Are you ready to unleash your inner money magnet and attract the financial abundance you deserve? This program will guide you through a transformative journey, shedding the limiting beliefs and anxieties that hold you back from financial freedom. We'll work together to release your money block fears and unlock the potential for prosperity that lies within you. The process. 1. Identifying your money blocks. Belief audit. Explore common money block beliefs, e.g., wealth is evil, I don't deserve abundance, money is hard to earn. Journaling and shadow work. Connect with your inner critic and uncover hidden subconscious beliefs impacting your financial reality. Past and present influences. Reflect on childhood experiences, family messages, and societal constraints that may be shaping your money perspective. 2. Releasing and reprogramming. Affirmations and positive visualization. Repeating empowering affirmations and visualizing your desired financial state reprograms your subconscious mind for abundance. Gratitude rituals. Cultivating gratitude for what you already have shifts your focus from lack to abundance, attracting further prosperity. Emotional release techniques. Practices like EFT tapping and breathwork release limiting emotions like fear and scarcity associated with money. 3. Manifesting abundance. Clear goal setting. Define your specific financial goals with precision and passion, igniting your internal drive. Actionable steps. Create a roadmap of small, achievable steps towards your goals, ensuring momentum and preventing fear-based procrastination. Intuitive decision-making. Learn to trust your inner wisdom and make financial choices aligned with your authentic values and desired future. Bonus techniques. Money block meditation. Guided meditations designed to release specific limiting beliefs and open your energetic channels to prosperity. Crystals and feng shui. Utilizing the wisdom of these practices to create a supportive environment for attracting wealth. Abundance journaling. Regularly recording your progress, dreams, and gratitude practices strengthens your connection to financial magnetism. Remember, this journey is about rewiring your mindset, not overnight miracles. Be patient, consistent, and celebrate every step towards your financial freedom. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your potential and encourage your abundance mindset. Trust the process, keep your energy high, and never give up on your dreams. With dedication and the right tools, you can transform your relationship with money, release your fear-based blocks, and unlock the boundless abundance that awaits you. The path to financial freedom starts right now. Take the first step and watch your life blossom with prosperity. I hope this gives you a full explanation of the process outlined in your title, offering actionable steps and inspiring encouragement for viewers embarking on their journey of financial transformation. Feel free to adapt and personalize this guide to include your own experiences, preferred techniques, and any additional resources you recommend. Remember, the key is to create a program that speaks to your audience and empowers them to break free from fear and embrace their financial potential. Benefits of following this From Fear to Financial Freedom program. Identify and release limiting money block beliefs. By understanding your deepest fears and anxieties surrounding money, you can finally address them and move beyond their controlling influence. Reprogram your mindset for abundance. Through powerful techniques like affirmations, visualization, and gratitude practices, you'll cultivate a confident and magnetic energy that attracts financial opportunities. Develop a clear roadmap to financial freedom. Setting specific goals and breaking them down into actionable steps makes your journey feel achievable, reducing fear and promoting consistent progress. Unlock your inherent potential for wealth and prosperity. This program empowers you to tap into your innate ability to manifest abundance and create the financial reality you truly desire. Increase confidence and self-worth. As you release financial anxieties and achieve your goals, your confidence and self-esteem will naturally soar, impacting all aspects of your life. Experience greater overall well-being. Financial security and a positive money mindset contribute to a sense of peace, joy, and freedom, enriching your emotional and mental well-being. Conclusion. Embarking on this from fear to financial freedom journey is an investment in your future self. By shedding your money blocks and embracing abundance, you'll empower yourself to write a new narrative for your financial life, one filled with prosperity, purpose, and endless possibilities. Remember, the path to financial freedom isn't always easy, but with dedication, the right tools, and unwavering belief, you can make it your reality. Take the first step today, break free from your limitations, and unlock the magnificent wealth that awaits you. You deserve it. I hope this expanded section on benefits and conclusion adds further impact and inspiration to your program. Remember, these are just suggestions, and you can modify them to reflect your unique program structure and voice. Let's empower everyone to reclaim their financial freedom and embrace the abundance they deserve. Wishing you all the abundance and success on your journey.